Questions have been swirling about President Joe Biden's location and why he hasn't been seen publicly in days, especially after Sunday's sudden departure from the presidential race. You would think that someone who had been involved in politics longer than anyone else in Washington would have made a step-down speech. No, instead, he sent Americans a tweet. Please make this make sense. During a speech at the White House, her first public appearance since receiving Biden's endorsement in the race for president, Vice President Kamala Harris said Biden was continuing to recover from bedbugs. You know, YouTube doesn't let us say it, which he tested positive for last week. Harris said, "Our president, Joe Biden, wanted to be here today. He is feeling much better and recovering fast, and he looks forward to getting back on the road." So, is this a cover? Biden's decision to bow out came after escalating pressure from his Democratic allies to step aside, following the June 27 debate, in which the 81-year-old president trailed off, often gave nonsensical answers, but until recently we were told he was sharp as a tack. Then, overnight the tide turned for old Joe. Did they get rid of him after the Trump plot failed? They realized Joe was not a contender, despite telling us he was sharp as a tack. What a lie. We will see if he shows up to address the nation tonight. Was this a coup to install Kamala to the Democratic nominee after a bombshell report from the Dems? Was this a setup? No one voted for Harris, but they are now calling Biden, the sitting president now, and installed Kamala. We never heard about the emergency on Air Force One. It is all fishy. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. Is Harry's a plant? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your help to grow. Thanks so much. I find it interesting a high level which, like Beyonce, is endorsing the VP. Don't you?